My wife tested me. Big mistake. My wife came home one day with a strange idea. She said she wanted to test my loyalty. I laughed. I thought she was joking. She wasn't. A few days later, I got a message from a random woman on Instagram. She was beautiful. She complimented my photos. Then she asked if I wanted to meet up. Something felt off. The whole conversation seemed fake. So I played along. A little. Then I asked for a video call. She immediately disappeared. That night, my wife confessed everything. The account belonged to her friend. She wanted to see if I'd cheat. But here's the funny part. I already knew it was a setup, because her friend accidentally used her real name. Now my wife is upset. But she was the one testing me. Was I wrong for exposing the whole thing?